Desert Eye Terracotta Yarrow is a relatively new cultivar of the popular yarrow plant, first introduced in 2002. It was bred by Terra Nova Nurseries, a company known for its unique and innovative plant varieties. Desert Eye Terracotta Yarrow is a herbaceous perennial plant that produces clusters of tiny, flat-topped flowers on tall stems. The flowers are a unique terracotta color, a warm reddish-orange hue that is sure to stand out in any garden. The foliage is a silvery green color and is finely divided, creating a feathery appearance. This plant typically grows to a height of 18 to 24 inches and a spread of 18 to 24 inches. Desert Eye Terracotta Yarrow prefers full sun and well-drained soil, but can tolerate some shade and porous soil conditions. This plant is drought tolerant once established and doesn't require much water once it has developed a strong root system. It can be propagated by division or by seed and should be divided every few years to maintain its vigor. Desert Eye Terracotta Yarrow pairs well with other drought-tolerant perennials such as lavender, salvia, and echinacea. It also makes a great companion plant for taller grasses. Desert Eye Terracotta Yarrow is a popular plant for both ornamental and medicinal purposes. The unique color of its flowers make it a great addition to any garden, especially when combined with other warm color blooms. The leaves and flowers of yarrow are also used in traditional herbal medicine to treat a variety of ailments, such as digestive issues and skin conditions. Additionally, yarrow is known to attract beneficial insects to the garden, such as ladybugs and lacewings, which can help control pests like aphids and mites. Overall, Desert Eye Terracotta Yarrow is a versatile and beautiful plant that is sure to bring color and interest to any landscape.